Okay, episode 3 of the $20 Goodwill Jewelry Jar. Unjarring and untangle. Here are all the chains. I put them in their own little drawer and I tried to keep, it's probably gonna get tangled together. I didn't feel like bagging them all up. So I just put them like this, put them in their own drawer, and I can reuse these chains and the little, whatever you call this, I can reuse for crafting. All right, so I'm gonna jump back into the untangle. I will put it on fast forward and hopefully we can get something else untangled. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you like this sort of thing, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for helping out my channel by watching and subscribing. Even if you don't watch, just subscribe definitely helps us. All right, thank you so much. Okay, continuation of the detangling. This is what I have left. Commence fast forward. Again, I'll just record until my battery dies. I don't have much battery. I'm terrible at charging my phone. I've washed my hands numerous times, taken breaks, drinking water, had snacks. This is gonna be like a multi-day thing. Where are we here? This is another multi-strand thing. Should I take it apart? Who even makes these multi-strand things? This is like people against multi-strand necklaces. Literally. People against multi-strand necklaces unite. I'm gonna put that as my title. Blah. That's hilarious. Here we go. These are each gonna be individual necklaces. It fits me. It's like a choker. But a few jump rings and a clasp. It's a cute little dainty necklace, which I like. This is everything that I use. I'm gonna get some sort of jewelry cleaning wipes. Like not for like sterling, but like just wipes to like get the crud. Oh, now the cat's here. It's like, what on God's green earth are you doing? You want to sit on my lap, buddy? I love you, Jazzy. My old man cat, like 50. This cat we had in our first apartment before we were married. We had another cat, Batman, who I miss dearly. I love of my life. And yeah, we just had this boy, Jazzy, for a long time. We literally had nothing, like a crappy 1-bedroom apartment. I won't say the town because I don't want to diss that town. Fine town, but slightly more urban kind of town as far as like what we have around here that we don't live in anymore. But you got to start somewheres. Everybody's got to start somewheres. We were young. We drive by sometimes, and we've lived in, so we lived there for a few years. My husband lived there. Initially, it was his apartment. We were dating, and I moved in, and then when we got married, shortly after, we rented a condo for like 10 years. That's how long it took us to build up our business and buy a home as like being self-employed. And now we've lived here for 5 years. It's insane, and we have 2 kids now. We've been married. What year is it? 2024? It's gonna be 14 years. I just don't even understand where the time plot, how the time goes. Like, it's insane. Very, very, very lucky. Very happy. Very blessed. Wonderful, happy, happy, happy children. Like, it's just, I can't even explain it. Like, I'm all about, like, okay, this is real life. This is hard with kids. So hard and, like, so wonderful. Like, it's just, I can't even explain the feeling. Like, of how something could be, like, challenging, but, like, so amazing and beautiful. Like, that's the thing. Like, if you're not challenging yourself and you're not taking some chances, just the most rewarding things come from the hardest challenges. It's just, I love that. I'm not sure if that's going to apply to this necklace situation. But I do love that. Like, just a blessed, happy life with these kids. And I'm not religious in any kind of way, but I'm just saying. Like, it's just amazing. So lucky. Okay, this was like the most massive detangle. So this was the $20 Goodwill jar. These were all like 3 different multi-strand necklaces. I have a lot of chain now for making chains, so chain necklaces. I'll just be making individual like dainty chain necklaces. All right, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you would like something. I will put my email address in the description. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you.